Hey guys, what's up? It's MLG here, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a MyBB forms, just like this one. This is my forms, shield form. It's kind of in progress, still small. We're still working on it. But basically, this is what you're gonna make. So, to start off, I'm gonna be using ByteHost, which is a free web hosting. Uh, Mine forms is hosted on Spetnaz host, which is also paid, but it's really cheap. It's only I have maximum, so it's only $4 a month, but I use some 15% off thing they had down here, so mine's only 340. Yeah, 15. Okay. Um, so let's get started. What you're gonna need, and all this will be in the description, a link to ByteHost and FileZilla. That's most likely all you're gonna need. Oh well, besides MyBB, which I probably go download. MyBB is basically a form software where a lot of forms are run on. Notice, Exernize. I really don't know of any others since I don't go on any other forums. But I'm sure you guys have been on MyBB forums before. So you're going to go to here, you're going to press download now, and it's MyBB 1609. It probably could change by the time you're watching this. They do update probably once a month. And yeah, so it's on your desktop. What you're going to do is you're going to open it. You're going to take the upload folder and just drag it to your desktop. You're not going to worry about documentation. You don't need that. You're just going to exit out of that. Now you should have an upload folder on your desktop. What you're going to do is you're going to go to ByteHost. You're going to click on free host sign up. You're going to type in all your stuff, which I'm just going to be Bob. And okay, I'm typing this all wrong. And I'm just going to use an old email that I have. Script to install. Do not install a script. If you ever have the chance to install a script, as in MyBB, as it says on here, PHP and MyBB, do not install it on here. They usually use older versions, and you do not want older versions. Set category, just form, choose all this stuff, type in your code. Okay. And that should have worked, I'm pretty sure. Username cannot be less than 4 characters long. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No. Whatever, I'm just gonna be YouTube then. Why not? Okay. All the stuff's already there. Click on the activation link. It says all this stuff that you cannot do, which this is, I mean, with Spetnaz host, you can do a whole bunch of other stuff. A lot of this isn't even here. You can post whatever you want on it. Not that though, not fishing. Basically anything you want. And I'm just gonna click on the email now, activate it. I do not want to install a script. And you're gonna have to wait 240 seconds. So I'm gonna pause the video until it's up and running. Alright guys, so we're back and it's 0 seconds. It will automatically refresh. And then you get all this stuff. Order, thank you for choosing the host with our sites. And do not leave this page. You're gonna need this page. And you don't want to go to your website URL just quite. So what you're gonna do is you're going to open up FileZilla. And you're going to drag to the side here. Oh, not working. Okay. And then you're going to get your FTP username, which this one is B7 underscore home to random stuff. That's why I don't really like free hosting, because with the paid hoster, that if you basically end your free host, you can create your own FTP account, so it's really easy to remember there, unlike having to do all this stuff. Oh, nope, nope, oh man, okay. You don't really need anything for the port. Okay, so now it's loaded up. You see htdocs.override and do not upload files here. What you're going to do is you're going to open up htdocs, and you're just going to see all this stuff. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to minimize that. You're going to open up your upload folder. You're going to press Control A, or you can select the very top one, scroll all the way down, press Shift, whichever one you like, and just drag it over. Now, there's basically about 800 files, so it's going to take a really long time. You just got to be patient and wait. I'm going to pause the video again, and well, be back again when it's done. Actually, I did forget one thing before that's done. cPanel, which is right here. You're just going to copy that link for cPanel, open up a new tab, paste that in, and you're going to get this little window page. You're going to ask for your username. You're going to do your username. And then you're going to do the password that you put when you registered your account. And you're going to be logged in. Now, just talk no thanks, I'm fine for that. It gets really annoying. You're going to have all this stuff here. On the left, you're going to see your stats. Another thing with free hosting, you only get one FTP account. So if you're planning to have multiple users to upload stuff to your site, you're all going to have to use the same account, which can get really irritating. You can only have 5 subdomains, all this stuff. You really, overall, if you're buying a domain, you're trying to host a site, you do get what you pay for. You get very limited bandwidth, and yeah, it's not really good for free. What you're going to do is you're going to go to MySQL database, and you're going to create a new database, which I just cannot stress how annoying it is to have all this stuff here, as it's super easy if you have paid hosting. Just create it, call it MyBB for the new database. Create a new database. Okay, and then you're gonna have current bases, which for some odd reason is weird. And then you're currently using 1 out of 5 available databases, which can be used weird. I don't know why registered domains there. Oh, it's probably because I already have that. Okay, and then, oh, wait, made a mistake. You're going to go back to MySQL databases, and I'm not seeing users for some odd reason. You're gonna need a user. I just gotta find this. Ha. Oh, okay. That's alright. I'm stupid. It's right there. So, what's this at? I'm only at 700 on that, as I just started a little bit ago. So you can either go to PHP Admin, all this stuff. You don't really need to do any of this. You're just gonna have all your stuff here. All you're gonna need is your MySQL username, the database name, and your password. So I'll be back when this is done, and then I'll show you guys what you have to do. Alright guys, I'm back. Just an example of how long this takes to upload. I went and made 2 sandwiches, played with my dog a little bit, and then took some medicine because I'm sick, and it's still almost done. So that's pretty, it's pretty funny. So, what you're gonna do is, go over here, go to your homepage URL, or your homepage, I saw a URL right there. Copy it, and almost done. Wow. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay, okay. Okay, it's done. So, wait, where are all the folders? What? There's only... There they are, okay. Oh my god. Go to it, and then you're gonna get, like, you know, this error 41, your board has not yet been installed and configured, please do for attempting to browse it. Now, you're gonna do, after your thing, you're gonna do /install, and you're gonna get this. I'm just gonna uncheck that. You're gonna click next. You don't really have to read through that. Just click next. All this should be installed, writable. If not, you have to reinstall MyBB into your FTP again. Next. There's the part we need. Now, you're going to be on MySQL Improved. Alright. You're going to have database server hostname. Where am I going? Okay. Now, you're going to need both web pages for this. So on your account order form right here, you're going to copy and paste, or you're going to copy this, which is SQL 104 stuff for me. I don't know what it will be for you. I'm going to copy that into there. My database what did that say? My database username, which is B7, whole bunch of numbers, really worthless. Oh, that's Skype. Okay. My database password is the password you use to log into, well, everything. The password you used when you made your account. Your database name, and that is a whole bunch of random letters and MyBB. There we go. So this is what you should have. I'm going to delete those random spaces at the end. Table prefix is going to be MyBB underscore UTF-8 Unicode, whatever it is. And then you're going to press next. And then you should get all this. Connection database was specified was successful. And you're going to have all this stuff that says done. Then you're going to click next. And then it's going to tell you all this stuff. Click next to all of these until you get to board configuration. Now your form name is going to be whatever you want to name it. I'm going to call it YouTube. And then your form URL should stay the same unless you want to change it to whatever you want. I'm not going to do that. Your website name is what it's going to say up here, like cPanel, account order, sign up for hosting. I'm just going to be mine again, YouTube. Your website URL, just leave that as a slash. Cookie domain dot whatever's there, cookie path slash, and contact email. I'm just going to use the email I made when I signed up, unless you guys have like a team email. If you're making something and you have an email all you share, then that's what you would do. Now you're going to create your administration account, which is the account that's basically, if you get this wrong, you're not going to be able to use your forms. You're going to have to reconfigure everything. So username, I'm just going to make mine admin. Password, no, yeah. And then, same thing again. Gmail.com, okay. And then next. Finish setup. And now, basically it's all done. Now you can just go to proceed to your copy, click MyBB, and here's your forms. So you can change basically all of this. I personally do not like any of this. Just looks really bad in my consideration. But so now you have it all set up. Here's your form. You have one user, that's admin, that's you. Then you have your legend down here. You can go on admin CP, and you have to re-enter your name or your username for your account and then password. I usually just click my version check. This is where you're going to check if your stuff's here. 1.6.9 is the latest version. That's what we're running. And they're going to have all of this, which I'll have in future tutorials on what to do with this. That's really about it. The administrator notes where you can type stuff here and other administrators can actually view what you have there. Like I have a checklist for my forms. I have a whole bunch of stuff there and a check mark, so I'll copy and paste that check mark. It's done. Configuration. Yeah, you can do all this. If you mess around with yourself, but in case you need help with it, I'm gonna have tutorials up probably within the next few hours. But there's one thing that I do want to show, which is this, which actually that has to do with the theme. Never mind. So yeah, that's about it. It's virtually MyBB, just set up now. You can change the logo. All this will be in a further tutorial. So thanks guys. If you liked the tutorial, please like, rate, comment, subscribe. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong. I don't know how they say it. They're so good at it, those professional YouTube people. But there you go. So, bye-bye. Wait, no. I'm missing something. Where is it? No. Okay. Ah, no. I give up.